So our coding challenge is to create or implement the map from scratch. So as part of this challenge, in the first two parts, what we did is we have came up with array list of the linked list, right? So we have these linked lists which are as buckets, and this is a array list of that. So based on the hash code, we were able to figure out the bucket, and we were able to save the value and retrieve the value. So let's look at in the code. We are able to save the values and retrieve the value. Now this is a follow-up question in this challenge, is to implement or print the entire map. How would you get the all the values which are here? So this is not straightforward, but we can do it. So what we are looking for is the set, and the key will always be string. Like in our case, key is a string, and we say get key set. So we want to get the key set, no arguments required. So first thing is we would create the key set, and we could call it as keys, and we can again do something like hash set. Now next thing is we have to go to the each item in the array. So we need to iterate our map array. So what we would do is we would go and we would iterate over our array of linked list, which is called as map. Now once we are here, inside each bucket it's a linked list, so we need to again iterate over linked list. So what we would do is each bucket is made up of value v. So once we are here, we need to get the key and put it in the set. So we would just say keys dot add and then value dot key. Once we do this, then at last we are going to return the keys, and we are done. So let's see here in the test case and run the test if this thing works fine, and it does. So what we implemented, first we put the element, then we get the element. Now we have put the keys, or like got the all the key set. Now let's say if you have to iterate over the key set and then you have to print all the value, how would you do that? So the best thing is you would have the string key from the key set. So this is all your key. Instead of going map.get n number of times, you can just loop it over, like as simple as that. So you can do sysout, and you can also do printf, and then you could say key is and value is. Key is for value, key is and value is. This would be your key, and then the value would be mp.get whatever the keys value. So let's see how it goes. Would it print all the key and value? And it does, but the only problem is not on the new line, which it would do now. And this looks beautiful, like all our map, we have the key and the value. To just make it look nicer, just like the JSON object, right? The key and the value, we could do it like this. So this is our key, this is our value, looks neat. Thanks for watching, and you can always download the code from the GitHub repository. I have saved all the code in the GitHub repository for your reference. And the name of this is called algorithm and data structure. Let me quickly show you that. So if you go to my GitHub repository, which is githubpremasim.com, this is the repository. If you will go in the challenge section in the source, you would find the code, all the code for this. And then some of the data structure I have put it in here, all these data structures. So thanks for watching, share and like the channel for more videos like this. Bye bye.